One of my student life regrets is that I never got to spend a summer in Europe. Somehow I thought it would be super expensive. Maybe I cannot afford it. However, I was really wrong because as I explore opportunities for our community now, I come across so many good options where they are literally paying you to spend your summer in Europe. For example, Sun pays you 93 Swiss francs per day, that is 10,000 rupees a day. Max Planck pays you 1 lakh per month, and there are many more such options where you can do meaningful research, spend your summer in Europe, and do prestigious internships that can literally change the trajectory of your career. Plus, it's going to be super hard to find meaningful summer internships this year in any part of the world. So definitely explore these opportunities because they are open to all sort of international students. I'm sharing a good list on the other side of the intro. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nishtha from Scholar Strategy and 24 North Star. Today I'm sharing four valuable options to spend your summer in Europe doing meaningful internships. Now, there were many more options last year, for example, Youth Action Summit in Italy, but that has been discontinued this year. EPFL Life Sciences program is a good option, but its deadline is already passed, and World Bank internship has not yet opened its registration for Europe. But for today, I'm sharing four options which are still open for you guys to register, but the deadlines are very, very close by. In fact, one is just a couple of days away from now. So watch this video, save it, and start applying ASAP if you qualify. Let's get started with the first option. The first program is MPIA Summer Internship in Germany. This is basically Max Planck Institute for Astronomy at Heidelberg. This is a 3 months paid opportunity between May to September, and this is for astronomy and physics undergrads. Now they pay you 1,000 euros per month, as I said, 1 lakh plus airfare plus social benefits, and two spots are reserved for developing countries like India. Obviously, this is highly competitive, but German universities love Indian scholars. This internship is basically a golden ticket to doing a PhD program in Germany, which is, by the way, fully funded, right? The thing is, deadline is January 15th, which is just in a couple of days. So, yes, you do want to rush for this. The application link is mentioned below. They require a CV, research statement, transcripts, one reference letters, etc. Next opportunity is CERN Summer Student Program in Switzerland. Now, I don't need to introduce CERN. This is one of the most prestigious places to do a research internship. This is the place where they discovered the Higgs boson. By the way, they run a lot of summer programs. Some of the deadlines are already passed, but you can check if you qualify for the remaining ones. This particular one is open for physics, engineering, CS, and math undergrads. Very handsome stipend, 10,000 rupees per day, plus they give you housing in Geneva, plus 1,500 euros for flight, and you get to attend lectures plus do real lab projects. I mean, if you do this, then your peer network and the professors you meet, etc., the scientists that work there, that network alone is more than 50 lakh, I would say. And doing a summer internship here means it automatically opens door for you at MIT, Stanford, Cambridge, Oxford kind of places. Deadline is January 26th, so do check out for any programs which are basically now open and that you can apply for. By the way, insider tip here is a lot of physics folks or theoretical folks apply to these internships. So if you have any sort of coding background, like projects in Python, data analysis, or machine learning, do try to highlight those to stand apart from the crowd. Third opportunity I want to talk about is the Aalto Science Institute Summer Research Program in Finland. This is basically the Aalto Science Institute in Helsinki, where you get to spend 8 to 10 weeks of your summer. This is open for undergrads worldwide in science or engineering, and you get to do research in 7 departments, including physics, bioengineering, materials, computer science, other engineering branches, etc. This is also fully funded. It pays you 2,000 euros a month, that is 2 lakh per month, plus some travel bonus and even 1 week of paid vacation. Now, don't think that, like, this is less prestigious than Max Planck or CERN, so it would be easy to get in. It's also very, very competitive. Its acceptance rate was 0.8% in 2025, and expect a lot of competition in 2026 again. Now, interesting part is Finland has one of the best work life balance in Europe. So, by spending your summer here, you can explore what Nordic life actually looks like. This does not require any IELTS. The deadline is January 31st. Then they have interviews in February, and final selections happen around mid March. Application link is mentioned below. Do apply if you qualify. And the last opportunity I want to talk about is the HZDR Summer Student Program in Germany, which stands for Helmholtz Zentrum Dresden Rossendorf Labs. This happens between July 27th to August 28th and is open for physics, materials, engineering, life sciences undergrads. Funding comes out to be 36 euros per day, which is 500 to 1000 euros per month, which is again like 1 lakh, so not bad. Plus you get to stay in free dorms and get free transport. Now HZDR is part of Germany's Helmholtz Association, which is Germany's top research network. The funding may not be flashy, but here's the thing: Dresden is cheap and you will actually end up saving money at the end of the day. Plus, German research experience gains you automatic respect in Indian academia and global PhD programs, and labs here are pretty much cutting edge. So you're not just getting a resume line, you're learning real skills. This can really help you in your job hunt as well as further education down the line. The deadline here is February 22. Again, application link is mentioned in the description box below. You need a CV, motivation letter, transcripts, to LORs, etc. Do try to highlight any material science or experimental physics coursework if you have done that, because they would love that. These were the main programs I wanted to cover, but a bonus program is the UNIC European University Internships in Liège, Belgium. This is a research internship in engineering, environmental science, or molecular sciences, but it's open for students from unique partner institutions only, and the funding is not as great, but the deadline is coming soon, so you can just do a quick Google if you qualify for it or if it's something of interest. So do check it out as well. So these were some of the opportunities I wish I knew existed back when I was a student, because I think they are such great opportunities to get global exposure, plus make some money, plus spend your summer in Europe, and who doesn't want that, right? So I hope these help you. If you want me to keep posting more about internship opportunities, etc., then do comment below, because I know things are going to be tough in 2026, but let's make the most of whatever we can find out. So hope you like this video. Keep giving me feedback in the comments below. I will see you guys next time with a fresh new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.